Hi guys, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Today's math activity is going to be a comparing game. Do you see this little puppy here? He is hungry. He wants to eat some numbers. So he is so hungry that he is going to eat whichever one is greater or more. I'm going to show you two cards, and I want you to point to the one that has more or is greater. And that's the one we're going to feed him. Are you ready? Here's the first card, and here's the second card. Which is more, 2 or these dots? He's a very hungry puppy. You're right, it's this one. This one has 5 dots and 3 dots, so that is 8. 8 is greater than 2. Yum, 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 yum. Let's give him 2 more choices. Ooh, here's a 10 frame with some dots in it. Can you tell how many are there? And here's a number. Which one is greater or more? This number is 6. Are there 6 dots in the 10 frame or more than 6? You're right, there is more than 6. There is 8. He wants the 10 frame. Yum, 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 yum. Here is a bone with a tie on it. Are there more ties or more dots in the 10 frame? Yeah, that one's too easy for you guys. There's 1 tie and 6 dots. Yum, yum. Eat the one that has more. How about this one? Here's a dot cube with 1 dot. And the number 10. Which one is more or greater? You knew it. 10. Here's some more dot cubes. And the number 4. Which bone has more? Which bone is greater? You're right, the one with dot cubes, because this dot cube has 4, and then there's 5 more over here. So that is definitely more than 4. 4 and 5 is how many? You're right, it's 9. Here's a dot cube and the number 8. The dot cube has 6 dots. Which is greater, 6 dots or 8? You're right, 8 is greater or more. Oh, the puppy is getting happy with all of these things he gets to eat. Here we have some ties and a dot in a 10 frame. Which is more or greater? If you said ties, you are absolutely right. 4 is more or greater than 1. Ooh, this one's a little tricky. Ooh, we have some ties and a dot cube. You know how many dots are on that cube? 5, you're right. How many ties? Let's count. It looks to me like there might be more than 5, but let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can stop there because we see there's more, or we can keep counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. Which is more, 8 or 5? 8 is greater than 5. Here we have some dots in a 10 frame and some dot cubes. How many? Which one is greater? There are 7 dots in this 10 frame. Remember, there's 5 in the top row and then 2 more. So if you count on from 5, it is 5, 6, 7. Here's the dot cubes. This one has 2 and 5. We can count on from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dots in the 10 frame and 7 dots on the cube. Those are the same. Neither one is greater than the other. They are, did you say equal? You're right. Double jeopardy. He gets to eat both of them. Here we have some dots in the 10 frame and the number 1. How many dots? You're right, 3. 3 is greater than 1. Here we have 3 ties. I bet you subitized that one. And the number 9. Which is greater, 3 or 9? You're right, 9 is definitely more than 3. Oh, here's some ties and some dots in a 10 frame. If the 10 frame was full, it would have 10, but there's 1 empty space. So that means there's 1 less than 10. So that would be 9. You don't even have to count them. You just think, what's the number that comes before 10 when I'm counting? And that's 9. The ties, I can't subitize. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ties, 9 dots in the 10 frame. Those are equal. He gets a double treat. Yum, yum, yum. Here we have some more ties and the number 3. Let's count the ties. 1, 2, 3. We can stop there. There's more than 3. There's 7 ties. 7 is greater than 3. Are you getting hungry, doggy? I mean, are you getting full? Are you still hungry? All right, let's keep feeding him. Here is 4 dots in a 10 frame and 2 dots on a dot cube. Which is greater or more? 4. 4 is more than 2. Here are some ties. Let's see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And double 5s on a dot cube. 5 and 5 is how many? If you hold up 5 fingers on one hand and 5 fingers on the other hand, you have, you're right, 10 fingers. So which is more, 10 or 6? 10. 10 is greater than 6. Here we have some dots and the number 5. How many dots? 4. 4 dots and the number 5. Which is greater or more? 5 is greater than 4 because we say it after we count 4. Here we have some more dots in the 10 frame. The whole top row is full, so that means there are 5. And we have 2 ties. Which one is greater or more? 5. 5 is greater. Oh my goodness, look at all these ties. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's double check that. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute, we don't count that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're hard to count. And 2 dots. Oh, we could have just counted to 2. 10 is definitely greater than 2. Oh, you can subitize this one. How many dots in the 10 frame? Did you say 10? Yeah, it's 10. And the number 7. Which is more or greater? 10. 10 is greater than 7. Last one. We have some more ties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ties and 3 dots. Which one is more or greater? 3 or 5? 5 is more than 3. Are you full now, puppy? Did you like that game? Did you like that game? Show me thumbs up if you did. Great. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.